Good morning, guys. It's 10:27. I just got some fresh new batteries on this camera due to that charging machine thing. Battery AA rechargeable battery recharger inator. It's 10:27. I really gotta get ready for school. I have to leave in like 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, an hour and a half. I don't know. I have to leave in like at 10:50, 11ish. Not too much later than 11 because I'll miss my class. But starting now, after this sentence, I am not going to speak to you guys today until the end of the day. I want to see if doing a silent vlog is interesting or if it makes it difficult for me or if it makes the video better, or I don't know. We'll see. We'll give it a shot. I haven't seen a silent vlog that isn't like cinematic and shit on YouTube, so let's try it out. Deuces. Hey guys, it's about 1:20 in the morning and I have about 2 minutes left of storage. left on the camera, so I'm gonna end off the vlog here. I hope you guys like this silent vlog. Maybe I'll do more sometime, but tomorrow I'm gonna do it instead of a vlog. I'm gonna be doing a challenge video with God. We are gonna. No, I'm not gonna tell you, but it's gonna be fun. We're gonna go to a mall and film there, so it'll be really interesting. I think my first public filming and posting on my channel, so hopefully it'll be good. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hope you had a good day, a good night, whenever it is you're watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Deuces.